tonight. Hey, 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 tonight. Hey, hey, hey.
Hey guys, meet Remy. She is a Southeast London hairstylist and she hit me up on the gram and I loved her work, so I agreed to work with her. She is so friendly. We literally had like the best time talking while she was slaying my hair. The hair that's in this video is from ISEEHAIR. I'll leave all the details below. I believe it's either curly or wavy hair, but it curls up, so yeah. Here Remy is just taking off the ear tab so we can start with the application. Then she's gonna cut the lace, the excess lace off in a kind of like a zigzag motion to give the hairline a more natural feel. Okay, once that's done, she's gonna push back my baby hairs, or lack thereof, with some Got2b gel. This one was the one in the black bottle. And then she's gonna lay some Got2b gel on my hairline. She's gonna wait for it to get tacky and blow dry it, and then put the second layer, wait for it to get tacky and blow dry it, and then we're gonna pop the frontal on. We were having like the biggest chin wag. We were talking about all sorts, from celebrity to hot news and gossip and all that, you know, girl talk or whatever. So I was really getting into it, guys. So now Remy is going to add the second layer of the Got2b. This one is the Got2b in the black bottle. She's going to do that using a little spatula. This is just so her fingerprints don't go on the on my hairline and mess it all up and stuff. This just gives it like a cleaner look. Then we're going to blow dry. I feel like a lot of people know this process by now. So she's gonna start sticking the sides of the frontal down, and she didn't express that she had any issues with this frontal. When I looked at the frontal, I was like, ooh dear, but like, I don't know, she managed to revive it. She bleached it beautifully and she customized it beautifully to my hairline. I thought it was gorgeous, and I will be able to reapply this at home with no issues, so that's amazing. The hair quality itself is pretty good. The hair curls up pretty nicely and the curls are really, really nicely defined. They're not like too ringlety or like too tangly.
Hey, soul sister. Hey, soul sister. Hey, soul sister. Hey, soul sister. Mister on the radio, stereo, the way you do.
So obviously the hair isn't wet right now, so hence it looking a little bit frizzy, but we're gonna go ahead and style the actual hair in a second. First, Remy's gonna get some wrap set lotion or foaming mousse, whatever you want to call it, and she's gonna pull out the baby hairs and we're gonna create baby hairs. And I'm not the biggest fan of baby hairs, but honestly I love the way she laid down my baby hairs. They looked really, really natural and really like just real cute. I was like, oh my god, this looks so cute. So she's gonna use wrap set lotion to do this, and even you can just tell from the wrist, like the flick of her wrist, like she just knows what she's doing. So I was like, okay, flick, 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 flick. Like she really knows what she's doing, and I think she might be using gel as well. I'm not sure, I might ask her, but it looked so cute. I was like, okay. So I was actually going out after this and everyone complimented me on my hair. I was like, oh my god, and I was just really feeling myself. Like she did a great job.
Hey, soul sister. Hey, soul sister. Hey, soul sister.
So I'm going to take a little bit more hair from the front portion of my head and create those baby hairs even more. Okay, now she's going to take the hot comb and just flatten out the sides and the parting just to make it look real sleek, you know, real done up, real neat. And then she's going to use some wax. I'm not sure what kind of wax this is, but I'm going to ask her and leave it below. I normally use Care and that works really well, but this works really well as well. So if it's good, I'll let you guys, well, yeah, I'll let you guys know below. Then she basically just like set my edges down with like a wrap, I guess. And then now we're defining the curls. So we're just using water, and then she's going to go over the top of the water with the some wrap set lotion. I normally don't put wrap set lotion over the water, but I think I'm going to start doing this now because the curls really did last for a long time. It didn't feel crunchy, it didn't feel hard, and it didn't frizz up, which I really enjoyed. The hair quality is honestly great. I had no issues with the hair, like none. Like, I can't say the hair was shedding loads, I can't say it was crunchy, I can't say it was like tangly, because it really didn't do those things. I'm not sure if whether or not it's the way Remy styled it or the hair is just great itself, but either way it was amazing. I didn't have any issues with the quality whatsoever. So now we're going to do the big reveal, and Remy's going to cut off the paper thing and the frontal was laid, honey, and I felt real cute. So yeah, that's it, guys. Make sure you check out ISEEHAIR. The details will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. And guys, I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye, guys.